guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can see, it's gonna be like a first impressions. This is the first time I'm trying this palette, but I'm not gonna really give a full review through the video because I'm gonna do voiceover. But since I am finished already, I'm gonna tell you guys my review right now quickly. So yeah, I'm gonna try out today the new Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. This is the Norvina palette. Wow, I gotta say, when I saw it, just the packaging made me think it's gonna be candies and only candies inside this palette. And of course, everybody is obsessed with the color Soul, and it's really gorgeous color. So I really wanted to put the main focus on this color today because it is really like how to say, a color that you won't wear for every day. So I wanted to just try it and see how it looks. The colors on this palette is, as always, gorgeous. Like, you have your neutrals, you have your pops of colors, shimmers, mattes, and also like a metallic foily finish, and they're all very buttery, very creamy, and very easy to blend. I will say that I'm missing one color here, which is like a transition shade. I know this too you probably can use as a transition shade, but I am so pale ass that I need something lighter than this. These are too dark. So I tried today to blend only that Soul color on my crease and nothing else. And yeah, so this eye look is very easy to achieve. Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And yeah, my full review on this palette, I love it. I will say I love more modern renaissance. I don't know why, but I mean, everybody loves modern renaissance. And I'm very happy for Norvina finally coming out with her own palette. If you want to guys see how I achieved this eye look, please keep on watching. So first I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This one I always use as an eyeshadow primer. And then I'm gonna go with this shade from the palette named Soul. And I'm just gonna little by little pack it on the outer portion of my eyelid. And then just bring it a little bit upwards, but very lightly. And then I'm also gonna bring it to my inner corner of the crease section. Then I'm gonna take like a more fluffy blending brush and just very softly blend the edges and go upwards very slowly. So this I'm gonna do like at least 3 times. Pack a little bit again that eyeshadow named Soul, and then again just blend it upwards, blend the crease, just blend it and dust it so it's like nice and seamless, because we are not using any transition shades. So yeah, we just want everything nice and blended. Then I'm gonna take with a tiny brush that same concealer and just start to like cut the crease like usually we are doing here around here, you know. And I'm just gonna bring it right until that middle portion of the eyelid, and then I'm gonna go with this Wild Child and spray it a little bit with a makeup spray so it's really nice and foiled, and just it looks also more pigmented if you apply with the makeup setting spray or just water. Then I'm gonna take the same shade named Soul and I'm just gonna lightly dust it over that Wild Child that I use. And then I'm gonna take this color Celestial and just apply it right in that same portion of the eye where that Soul meets that Wild Child. And then again I'm gonna go with the Soul and dust it on the outer portion of my eye, just make everything nice and seamless. Then I'm gonna take this nice shimmery color named Base and just highlight my brow bone, and with the ZOEVA black eye pencil I'm just gonna create like a very small eyeliner around my lash line without any wing. I just really wanted to use a pencil today. And then I'm gonna apply some mascara, just a tiny bit of mascara. And for the lashes today I'm gonna use the Demi by KOKO Lashes. I am obsessed with these lashes. oh, they're just so beautiful, so beautiful. And then we're gonna continue with our face. I'm just gonna spray hydrate my face with this Slick makeup setting spray from Urban Decay, and then I'm gonna go with this foundation from BECCA Cosmetics. It's called Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I'm using the shade Vanilla. I do wish I had a shade darker because I did look a bit white, not like I usually like to look at the end, but oh well, it matches my neck anyway. I'm gonna conceal those blue circles, those blue under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and then just blend it with the beauty blender, you know. And because I felt really freaking white, I just decided to a little bit warm up my skin with some contour. I'm using the KIKO contour stick in 200. Time to set that face, set that skin. So I'm gonna first set my under eyes and around my nose with the beauty blender, and then I'm gonna set the rest of my face with a big fluffy brush, just like dust it around my face. Not very heavy layer, just a little bit, you know. And then I'm gonna use this INGLOT sculpting powder. Just gonna sculpt my cheeks a little bit more because that contour with the cream contour was not intense enough, so I need a little bit more, especially on my nose, on my cheeks, and around my forehead. And then to create my skin a little bit more warm, I'm just gonna bronze up a little bit my cheeks and forehead with this butter bronzer from Physicians Formula. And yeah, then we're gonna move on to the eyes. I'm gonna finish the eyes. I'm gonna just apply some nude eyeliner. This is again from ZOEVA. And I'm gonna finish my under eyes, just gonna blend a little bit that soul color from that Norvina palette. And to highlight my inner corners of the eyes, I'm gonna use this first shade, which is very nice and shimmery, almost like metallic finish. And then I'm gonna put some mascara, just a nice layer of mascara. And of course we cannot live without a highlighter here. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter in Precious Petals, just a little bit on the cheeks, a little bit on the nose. And for my lipstick, I'm gonna use Jouer. I don't know how to spell it really, but this is the shade Naked, a liquid lipstick. And yeah, we're done, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know down below if you have tried Norvina palette and what do you think about it. And yeah, I'm gonna see you next time, next Sunday. Bye bye.